guys, today we're going to talk about our new TruFace solution. TruFace is a total face recognition solution that does it all, from access control, time attendance to visitor management.
So the total solution includes hardware and software. For the hardware that we have here is TruFace Terminal BA8300. It's the latest product with sleek, futuristic design that's easy to install, has multi-factor authentication, and ready to use. Besides weighing less than 2 kilos, it is also a compact and powerful IP65 terminal that has multi-factor authentication such as face recognition, QR code, RFID card reading, and fingerprint recognition. Now let's move to the software. For the software, we have web-based TruFace Manager Platform, TruFace Apps for the terminal, and TruFace Mobile App. The TruFace Manager software is designed for efficiently managed TruFace terminals. Use it to easily onboard and configure all your Aratek TruFace devices, enroll face and fingerprint biometrics, set access control policies, track employee attendance, and even troubleshoot device issues. One solution for multiple applications. Aratek provides a top-shelf biometric facial recognition hardware with a powerful software platform to give you a full-featured workhorse that's simple to manage. That's all for today. We're going to talk more details in the upcoming videos. See ya!